Good, well done. You need to have a little glance and a little glance. Why is that for coming across the main road like that? Any extremes, yeah. That's a term that I use quite a lot, and because this is going to go on a teaching point as well, can you explain to the people out there in YouTube land what extremes are? What kind of things could be extremes?
Usually people on motorbikes.
Motorbikes in Liverpool, yeah, we love a scramble bike or 10, don't we? What other extreme situation could you be looking for there?
Emergency vehicles.
Great emergency vehicles. The old dudes are pretty good at jumping red lights as well. Honestly, you've summed it up brilliantly. Brilliantly, if you can speak properly. Many thanks.